Hello cookie lovers! If you clicked on this video, it means that you love cookies. Today I will show you a great cookie recipe, my all-time favorite, chocolate chip cookies. I know, internet is full of chocolate chip cookie recipes, but this one is different. I mean, of course, it's vegan. There is no butter, no eggs. Plus, another difference, it will be a giant cookie, like you find in Starbucks and Subways. I can't wait to share this recipe with you because I know it's great. So let's go. Add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and add another 1/3 cup of water. Instead of water, you can also use plant-based milk. Add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar will keep our cookies moister than white sugar. I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. You can also use vanilla extract. I mix well to combine everything. Now let's move on with the dry ingredients. Add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Salt will enhance the flavors. Sift on wet ingredients. Now let's mix with a spoon just until combined. Now let's add the magic flavors that I love. I use half cup of chopped walnuts and of course half cup of chocolate chips. Now let's switch to our hands just to combine everything. Our dough is ready. As there is no egg in this, it's edible at this point, so feel free. I covered it up and we will refrigerate this for 10 minutes. While waiting, you may heat your oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and you can clean some dishes like me. Now our dough is nice and chilled. Let's shape. Out of this, I will make 3 big cookies. You can of course make regular sized cookies or one very big one, as you wish. Cook these beauties in 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius degrees for 15 minutes. When you take out the cookies, they will be soft, but they will get harder while cooling. Guys, it turned out so beautiful. Look at this. The whole house smells like cookie dough right now. And you can cover your mouth with this. It's one of the most delicious cookies I have ever eaten. I'm so sure. It's very soft, very chewy, and there is an amazing taste coming from the walnuts and an amazing smell. And the amounts of chocolate chips and sugar are very balanced. Thanks again so much for watching, and I appreciate your likes and comments. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!